When it comes to boosting your home's market appeal and overall value, few upgrades deliver as much return on investment as new windows. Tampa homeowners, in particular, can benefit immensely from replacing outdated or inefficient windows due to the area's unique climate, high humidity, and demand for energy-efficient, hurricane-ready homes. Investing in modern windows not only enhances your property's appearance but also improves comfort, safety, and energy performance, key factors that drive up resale value. Energy efficiency that pays off. Tampa's warm, humid weather means air conditioning runs almost year-round. Old or poorly sealed windows often allow cool air to escape, forcing HVAC systems to work harder and increasing energy bills. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows, such as double-pane or low-E glass, helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures by reflecting heat and blocking UV rays. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in summer and reducing energy consumption. Over time, this leads to substantial savings on utility costs, an attractive selling point for buyers who value sustainability and cost efficiency. In fact, homes with energy-efficient features often sell faster and for higher prices in Tampa's competitive housing market. Enhanced curb appeal and modern aesthetics. First impressions matter, especially when selling your home. Outdated or worn-out windows can make even a well-maintained house appear neglected. New windows instantly transform your home's exterior, giving it a fresh, modern look that appeals to prospective buyers. Whether you choose sleek vinyl frames, classic wood finishes, or custom window designs, these upgrades elevate architectural style and add sophistication. The right window design can complement your home's character, whether it's coastal contemporary, traditional, or modern farmhouse, creating a polished, inviting look that boosts curb appeal and perceived value. Increased natural light and interior comfort. Natural light is a major selling point in real estate listings, and new windows can maximize it beautifully. Modern window designs allow more sunlight to enter while filtering harmful UV rays that can fade furniture and flooring. Enhanced daylighting not only brightens interior spaces but also makes rooms feel larger and more welcoming, qualities that appeal to potential buyers during open houses or online tours. Additionally, insulated frames and glass coatings help minimize hot spots and drafts, creating a more comfortable living environment year-round. Tampa homeowners often find that replacing old, foggy, or damaged panes significantly improves both indoor air quality and visual comfort. Noise reduction and privacy. With the bustling lifestyle of Tampa, busy streets, nearby airports, and active neighborhoods, noise reduction is a major plus. New windows equipped with laminated or double-pane glass act as sound barriers, reducing outside noise and creating a quieter, more peaceful interior. This improvement enhances overall home comfort and can be a decisive factor for buyers seeking tranquility in a vibrant city environment. Additionally, modern window options include privacy glass or tinting that allows natural light in while limiting visibility from the outside, perfect for maintaining comfort and discretion. Improved safety and hurricane protection. Tampa residents know the importance of storm preparedness. Investing in impact-resistant windows not only protects against hurricanes and flying debris but also boosts property value. These windows are constructed with durable laminated glass that resists shattering, offering superior protection during severe weather. Beyond storm resistance, new windows also enhance home security by featuring advanced locking systems and reinforced frames. Buyers appreciate knowing their potential new home offers both safety and peace of mind, two priceless assets in Florida's real estate market. Long-term ROI and market advantage. According to Remodeling Trends, window replacement consistently ranks among the top home improvement projects for return on investment, often recouping 70–80% of the cost at resale. For Tampa homeowners, the added benefits of lower energy bills, increased protection, and enhanced beauty make it even more worthwhile. In today's housing market, buyers are not just looking for move-in ready homes. They're seeking efficiency, comfort, and reliability. By upgrading your windows, you're signaling that your home has been thoughtfully maintained and designed for Florida's lifestyle. That confidence can make all the difference when it's time to sell. Final thoughts: new windows do far more than improve how your Tampa home looks. They elevate its value, comfort, and livability. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy your home more, investing in quality window replacements is one of the smartest decisions you can make. From reduced energy costs and enhanced aesthetics to hurricane resilience and increased buyer appeal, this upgrade delivers lasting benefits that truly open new possibilities for your property's future.